This is the secret that Chinese restaurants don't want you to know. I will start this recipe by adding a little oil in a pan. Then I will add a teaspoon of salt. Then 2 cups of rice, previously washed, and I will move for a few minutes to seal the rice very well. Now I will add 400 milliliters of water and stir to incorporate it well into the rice. I will cover and let cook over high heat until all the water dries. When I know all the water dried there, I will mix a little and form a mountain with the rice. This way I do. I will cover again and let cook over low heat for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, our white rice would be ready. In a frying pan I will add a splash of oil, a red onion chopped into very small cubes, 3 crushed garlic cloves, and I will fry these 2 ingredients for 2 minutes. After the time, I will add half a green pepper cut into cubes, a medium carrot cut into very small cubes, and I will fry these ingredients for 3 minutes. Take advantage of this moment and leave me here below which country or city you are seeing us, to thank you for seeing our recipes. When this is the case, I will add a tablespoon of place sauce. A little honey, do not forget to add it because honey will give an incredible flavor to this recipe. A teaspoon of white sugar. A pinch of freshly ground black pepper, and mix a little to incorporate these ingredients into the vegetables. Now I will add all the white rice I have made and mix to incorporate it. Tell me here below which city or country you are seeing us, to thank you for seeing our recipes. The greeting in today's recipe is for Mon Cruz, who looks at us from Philippines, Ernie Deboda, who looks at us from San Diego, and Zenith Cox, who looks at us from South Africa. Thanks to these followers for always seeing our recipes. And so in this way we should have our Chinese rice. Next, here I have 300 grams of shrimp, to which I will remove the shell, in this way as I do it. Already removed the shell, I will reserve it for a moment. In a pan I will add enough oil, and when the oil is hot I will add 2 cloves of garlic cut into strips, 3 pieces of red chili. Finally, I will place to fry the shrimp I had reserved. These I will let fry for 2 to 3 minutes approximately. After 3 minutes, I will remove it from the oil and drain it with absorbent paper to remove the excess oil. And our recipe today is ready. We have prepared a delicious teriyaki rice with shrimp, a very delicious Oriental recipe. I hope you liked this recipe with rice and shrimp, although I would like you to rate it from 0 to 10 to know if you liked the result. If you have come seeing this recipe so far, leave me the word Oriental rice to know that you saw the recipe until the end. Thank you for seeing this recipe until the end. Tell me if it is the first time you see one of my recipes. I send you a big hug. God bless you. See you in the next recipe.